Here's the latest briefing at Saturday morning for the ongoing and upcoming snow. Watches, warnings, and advisories really haven't changed that much. The pink area are the warnings, Evanston up through the Casper area. Now, I could see this maybe being dropped later this afternoon, as most of the heavy snow will probably fall during the morning hours if there's anything. And advisories, obviously, further to the north and west, as we get less snow as we head further north and west. And all these in effect until about 5 a.m. on Sunday, I should say. Total snowfall amounts. Biggest areas of concern, basically Evanston over toward the Rock Springs area, 4 to 6 inches. It starts at 5 o'clock today. And also, Lander, a little more question here, but especially Jeffrey City over toward the Casper area. This looks to be the lollipop, as we call it, for the heaviest snow. Very good chance of 6 to 8 inches, locally up to a foot. Then lesser amounts as you head further north and west, especially up toward the Bighorn Basin, as well as Johnson County. 1 to 2 inches around Worland, and not really that much up around the Grable area. That looks to be the area with the least amount. And when it's going to hit you the hardest, again, Kemmerer, that'll be during the morning hours, probably tapering off during the afternoon hours. Most areas east of the Divide, mainly light snow this morning. The heaviest will come in when the jet dynamics come in, especially in the afternoon, evening hours. Riverton, Lander, as well as US 2026. Until about 8 p.m., we should begin to see the snow taper off there. Now, further east and further to the south, it's going to linger longer, especially around the Casper area. Could be snowing pretty hard till 11 p.m., maybe even midnight. And along Interstate 80, it's going to depend on where you are. Further west, it should end a little sooner. They could linger until about 3 a.m. on Sunday morning there. Maybe even affects a little bit longer there with some blowing and drifting snow. So to summarize the impacts for everybody, periods of snow developing today. Heaviest will be during the afternoon, early evening hours, say between about 11 o'clock to about 8 or 9 o'clock. After midnight, we should see it taper off. And travel, early this morning is probably the best time to go if you have to go anywhere. Then it worsens, especially in the afternoon and evening hours. And the worst hit areas, I-25 and I-80, South Pass. And we could see a little bit of blowing snow around I-80. Not a ton of wind with this, but any wind we do get, it'll be across I-80 and southern portions of the state. And there's our resources there for forecasts, as well as road conditions and our webcams by route. Be safe, everybody. Have a good weekend.